soar with the eagles. And Saul's son Jonathan went to David at Horesh and helped him find strength in God. 1 Samuel chapter 23, verse 16. It is amazing what can happen when you get into an atmosphere where people build you up rather than tear you down, where people encourage and challenge you to be the best you can be. Spend time with people who inspire you to reach for new heights. If you associate with successful people, alone, their enthusiasm will be contagious, and you will catch that vision. If you stay in an atmosphere of victory, you will develop a winning mindset. If you hang around the people of faith, your own faith will increase. It's time for you to soar with the eagles rather than pecking around with the chickens. If you will do your part by continually contemplating the goodness of God, living with faith and expectancy, God will take you places you've never even dreamed of. Soar with the eagles. And Saul's son Jonathan went to David at Horesh and helped him find strength in God. 1 Samuel chapter 23, verse 16. It is amazing what can happen when you get into an atmosphere where people build you up rather than tear you down, where people encourage and challenge you to be the best that you can be. Spend time with people who inspire you to reach for new heights. If you associate with successful people, alone, their enthusiasm will be contagious, and you will catch that vision.